you okay? Okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay, Kristen. That's one spoon. We're just going to have 2 spoons today. Just 2 of these little spoons, Christy.
Kristen, you're doing so good. You're doing so good.
All right, Kristen. Here. Good. You want some more? Come on, here you go. Good, come on, Kristen. Come on, Kristen. It's okay. Yay! All right. Solid food applesauce. Good. You want some more? A little bit? Okay. Whoops. First spill right there. The very first spill. Okay, you ready? There you go. Good. Okay. All right. Good. All right, Kristen.
You're doing good, baby.
Okay. Oops.
Good job, Christian. I love you now. Yay.